In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change channel name in Slack. If you've ever outgrown a channel name or just need something clearer for your team, renaming a Slack channel is quick and keeps your workspace organized. I'll walk you through the exact clicks and share a few best practices so everything stays tidy and easy to find. Keep in mind that renaming a channel affects everyone who uses it, and you may need the right permissions depending on your workspace settings. Start by opening the channel you want to rename. You can find it in the left sidebar or by using the search bar at the top to jump straight to it. Take a second to make sure you're in the correct channel, especially if you have similarly named spaces. Renaming is visible to the whole team, so it's worth double-checking. Next, click the channel name at the top of the conversation window. This is in the header area, right above the message history. Clicking the name opens the channel details panel, where you can view things like members, topic, and settings. This is the central place to make changes to how the channel is presented. Inside the details, look for the option to edit the channel name and click Edit. Depending on your Slack layout, you might see a pencil icon or an edit button next to the channel name field. If you don't see an edit option, it likely means your workspace owners or admins have restricted this ability, or the channel is a special one that can't be changed. In that case, you'll need to contact someone with the right permissions. Now enter the new channel name. Slack channel names work best when they're short, descriptive, and consistent. Use lowercase letters and hyphens instead of spaces, like marketing planning or IT support. Avoid special characters and keep it within Slack's character limit so it displays cleanly everywhere. Think about how teammates will search for it later. Clear naming saves time. When you update the name, Slack will handle the change across the workspace, so existing references to the channel will continue to work. When you're happy with the new name, click Save Changes. Slack will confirm the update and usually post a brief system message in the channel to let everyone know it's been renamed. Your sidebar, search results, and any recent references will reflect the new name right away. If something doesn't update instantly, give it a moment or refresh. That's all it takes. If you run into an error, make sure the channel isn't archived and that you have the necessary permissions. On mobile, the process is similar under Channel Details, then Edit. Thanks for watching, and enjoy your cleaner, clearer Slack workspace.